Hi friends, in this video, I will share my review of Hotel 81 Palace, which is a budget hotel in Geylang, Singapore. Hotel 81 Palace is a recently renovated property of the Hotel 81 chain, and is quite popular at present. It is also the most expensive of all the hotels of this chain in Geylang. It is located on Lorong 16 of Geylang Road, which is at a walking distance from Al Junaid MRT station. I stayed in the hotel's superior room in December 2024, and this is how my experience was. The superior rooms in Hotel 81 Palace have a window, while standard rooms don't. So, if you want a room with a window, do not book a standard room, book a superior instead. You can get a feel of the room size here. It is not huge, but not cramped either. This stay cost me approximately 90 Singapore dollars per day on Agoda, which was not a bad deal. The room had a queen bed, a TV, a mini fridge, and a side table which could be used as a work desk. It had international power points to charge my phone and other gadgets. The mattress on the bed was a little hard for my liking, but the hotel provided extra duvets on request, which I used as mattress toppers to make it more comfortable. There was an electric kettle, and they supplied tea-coffee packets every day. However, no drinking water bottles were provided. Guests are expected to take drinking water from a filter tap in the bathroom. And if you don't like it, there are shops on the main road outside, where you can buy water bottles at a discount. Back in the room, there was no wardrobe, but this hanger stand served the purpose. The air conditioning was adequate, and could be controlled from this digital panel. And the free Wi-Fi worked well. The bathroom was small, but had 24-hour hot and cold water, and a stand-up shower. Down in the lobby, staff was present even during the night. The check-in time is after 3 p.m., and the check-out time is before 11 a.m. Staff can allow late check-out, subject to availability. The hotel's location is good, because there are 2 local train stations nearby. And Geylang Road has local bus stops as well, not far from Hotel 81 Palace, if you prefer taking a bus to go someplace in Singapore. With excellent connectivity, and a large choice of budget hotels, Geylang is a popular part of Singapore for value-conscious tourists. I have reviewed another property of Hotel 81 chain, which is called 81 Princess. You will find a link to that review in the description below. For any more information or clarification, please leave a comment below. I will respond as soon as possible. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Singapore and other countries. Many thanks for watching.